Good morning everyone. I, PGT Geography, your host for today's morning assembly. Let's begin our day not with yawns but with smiles. Before we move to the pledge, a quick salute to my fellow teachers. They are the only people in the world who can say the same thing 10 times in a row and still smiles. Truly you all deserve a medal, or at least unlimited tea coupons. Please welcome Ms. Preeti Yadav ma'am, hailing from the heart of India, the state of Uttar Pradesh, to administer the pledge.
School attention. Pledge position.
India is my country. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Next is the thought of the day. Let's hear today's thought from the one and only who proves that age is just a number. Because while the calendar says senior, the energy says junior. In fact, sometimes we doubt if she secretly drinks Red Bull instead of tea. Please welcome Vijaya ma'am.
Good morning. Thought for the day. In small proportions, we just see beauties. In short measures, life may perfect me. These are the words from the poem Noble Nature by Ben Jonson. The poet explores the idea that short and meaningful life can be better perfect. He compares in his poem the oak tree with the lily flower. Oak tree lives for 300 years. At last falls as a log without achieving anything worthwhile. Whereas lily flower lives for a day but conveys the message of happiness to all. Think for a while, it lives only for one day but gives happiness to the beholders. It is not how long we live, but how we live. It is not the duration, but the donation. It is not the quantity, but the quality. Life is a beautiful journey and a glorious gift. Why should we waste it on worries and problems? Let us enjoy every moment of life. I quote, "Woods are lovely, dark and deep. I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep." Thank you. Have a shimmering Saturday.
And now the news headlines. Some listen to news to gain knowledge, and some only to check if there is a holiday tomorrow. Let's enjoy the news with Mr. Enjoy Paul.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's news. First, international news. Who cares? Nirmala Sitharaman on people defending Peter Navarro's Brahmins remark. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman criticized the people defending a remark by US President Donald Trump's trade advisor Peter Navarro, calling them friends of imperialists. Now national news. Mumbai on high alert after Lashkar-e-Jihadi claims 34 human bombs, 400 kilograms of RDX in city. Mumbai police on Friday said it is on high alert after a threat call was received in which the caller claimed that 34 human bombs carrying 400 kilograms of RDX have been planted in 34 vehicles for a blast that will shake the entire city. The threat call was received on traffic police helpline. Now state news. Dharma Jagrita Sambesha seeks legal action against those defaming Dharmasthala. The convention decided to extend the scope of Dharma Samrakshana Samiti to state level and counter the conspiracies and campaigns targeted against Hindu religious places of worship. It also decided to halt the convention once a year. Now news from sports. World Archery Championships. Deepika Kumari, Jyoti Surekha lead pack of greenhorns and all hands. Seasoned archers Deepika Kumari and B. Jyoti Surekha will ride on their wealth of experience to lead a pack of Indians including greenhorns and all hands at the World Archery Championship starting in Gwangju, Korea on Saturday. Thank you.
Next we have special presentation. Encourage the line of Haryana, Mr. Aman Mehta.
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। बेटा आज का जो स्पीच है वो वैसे तो सबसे पहले सभी को टीचर्स डे की शुभकामनाएं। टीचर्स डे अभी नहीं बताना कि क्यों मनाया जाता है, कैसे मनाया जाता है, ये सभी को पता है क्या होता है। आज की जो स्पीच है बेटा वो इस टॉपिक पे रहेगी कि जिसकी हमारे स्कूल को, हमारी कंट्री को सबसे ज़्यादा कमी है उस चीज़ की, वो है सिविक सेंस, एथिक्स। हमारे स्कूल में भी बच्चे हैं, एथिक्स की कमी बहुत ज़्यादा बेटा, बहुत ज़्यादा। जब तक उन्हें टोका नहीं जाता, शर्ट इन नहीं होएगी। असेंबली में शर्ट इन है सभी की, सभी स्मार्ट लगते हैं, लेकिन असेंबली से निकले शर्ट बाहर सभी की। स्नैक्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हुआ है, वहाँ पे वो रैपर से इधर उधर भी घर दिए, कौन उठाएगा इन द एंड? आपको उठाने पड़ेंगे। तो बी ए गुड सिटीजन। अगर हम यहाँ पे अपने लेवल पे अच्छा बनेंगे बेटा, तो ही आगे जाके कंट्री को अच्छे से सर्व कर पाएंगे। असेंबली ओवर होते ही ऐसे जमघट लग जाता है, सभी बच्चे इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं डोर पे। ऐसे नहीं वन बाय वन, लाइन टू लाइन जाए, नहीं। जब तक कोई टीचर नहीं खड़ा होगा हम रूल फॉलो नहीं करेंगे। यहाँ नहीं है, हमारी पूरी कंट्री में ही ऐसा है। तो इसी की शुरुआत करेंगे बेटा यही सही। आज से हम सभी एक प्लेज लेते हैं कि स्कूल के रूल्स फॉलो करेंगे। डिसिप्लिन इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू सक्सेस। अगर आप डिसिप्लिन में रहेंगे बहुत जल्दी सक्सेसफुल हो जाएंगे, बहुत जल्दी। ठीक है, टीचर्स डे की सभी को शुभकामनाएं। एक और बात बताना चाहेंगे, जैसे महाभारत थी बेटा, महाभारत में अर्जुन के गुरु कौन थे? द्रोणाचार्य। और दुर्योधन के गुरु कौन थे? द्रोणाचार्य। दोनों के गुरु एक जैसे थे, लेकिन वो दूसरे अधर्म की तरफ थे दुर्योधन, और वो धर्म की तरफ थे। ज्ञान देने वाला दोनों को एक ही था। समझ रहे हो ना? बात सभी चीज सारी की सारी आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करती है। टीचर जब क्लास में टीच कर रहे हैं, वो ये नहीं देखते कि इस बच्चे को ज़्यादा समझाना है, इस बच्चे को कम समझाना है। ऑल दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू। सभी आप पे डिपेंड करता है। बारिश सभी पे एक जैसी होती है, डिपेंड आप पे करता है कि आपके माइंड का जो बाउल है वो उल्टा है या सीधा है। समझ रहे हो? बस एक चीज फॉलो करना है, सिविक साइंस, डिसिप्लिन में रहना है और टीचर्स की रिस्पेक्ट करना है। थैंक यू।
गुरुप्रदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर साक्षात परब्रह्मा, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। A warm welcome to this invigorating morning. Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers, my juniors and my dear friends.
It's an honor to be your host for today's spectacular occasion of Teachers' Day. Well, our first and foremost duty, on behalf of all the classes, we wish all our teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Hope you are having a fantastic day. Hope you are having a fantastic day. Look around, this auditorium is filled with the most incredible people today. They are not just figures in our life. They are our mentor, our guides, our biggest cheerleader. They are the captain of our incredible learning journey.
It is Teachers' Day, a tribute to the man who believed in the power of education more than anyone else, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, whose birthday we celebrate today.
He believed that teachers should be the best minds of the country. And today we pay our tribute to all the teachers who continue to enlighten our lives with knowledge and wisdom.
So with deep gratitude in our hearts, let us begin this program that is a small reflection of the immense respect we hold for you.
Let us start this wonderful program today by lamp lighting ceremony, which is a tradition auspicious as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. I would like to invite our Honorable Principal Sir and other teachers and staff to start this ceremony.